Hey everybody, I know some people are still having trouble with genetics problems, so I think we need to start at the basics. There's some things that you need to know. I've been taking notes on my laptop here as I've been trying to go through the stuff you've submitted, and there are a few things that popped out at me. The first thing that you guys need to understand is that if I say that this dominates that, they are the same gene. They're just different versions, different alleles, different versions of the same gene. What that means is if we say black fur is dominant over white fur, or tall plants are dominant over short plants, or yellow fruits are dominant over white fruits, whatever category it is, we're talking about two versions of the same gene. Because they are the same gene, they have to have the same letter. You gotta be the same letter for the same type of gene. And then you use whether it's uppercase or lowercase for which version of the gene, the dominant or the recessive. The way you tell the difference in black and white would not be to use a B and a W. You don't do that. They have to be the same letter. Maybe if you have to have something that's related to what they are, go with C for color, and then use the capital C for black and the lowercase c for white. Personally, I think you'd all be better off using Q's. Use M's. Why? Because the uppercase M and the lowercase m, they look totally different. You can't confuse them when you're writing them. I want you to know that if there's one gene, there are 4 squares. I want you to know that when you look at a Punnette, what you see outside the box, each column heading, each row heading, represents a gamete. The gametes, the sperm, the eggs, the things you put outside the box, all need to have one of every gene that you're looking at. So if it's a 2-gene problem, each column needs to have both letters. If it is a 3-gene problem, each column needs to have all 3 letters on top. What's in an actual square on the Punnette, that represents a potential offspring. It could be the big version, it could be the little version, it could be the dominant, it could be the recessive, but one version of the gene is passed on from dad, one version of the gene is passed on from mom, and the result is that the child has 2 copies of that gene. The best way to solve a genetics of a problem is start by writing down everything that is given in the problem. Then write down everything that you know based on what was given in the problem. Then write down the parents' genotypes, write down the gametes that they could have. At that point, do your Punnette square. That's okay. I've been bitten. Ow, he has teeth. Ow, ow, ow. Somebody...